Can I create a new business within my current LLC? Yes. You can add a new business function to an already existing LLC. If you have formed an LLC but wish to conduct its business under a different name, you will need to formally register that name as a DBA, which is typically a simple process. Before we jump into the video, let's introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a service provider offering registered agent services, business formation, and more. The company provides top-notch privacy protection and customer support from agents across the United States at an affordable rate. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then you'll select the type of business you want to form, LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business, then the company will take it from there to get your business registered. Now, let's continue the video. What does DBA mean? DBA is an abbreviation for doing business as. Using a DBA is how an LLC uses a different name to conduct business. For example, if your LLC is registered under the name Jane Jones Enterprises LLC, but you wish to do business under the name JJ's Computer Services, you would use Jane Jones Enterprises LLC, DBA JJ's Computer Services. To create some separation between products or brands, many LLC owners obtain a DBA for their new business venture. For example, if you own a shoe store, Snazzy Shoes LLC, but want to start selling sunglasses on the side, as Snazzy Sunglasses, you can create a DBA name for your side business. Technically, both businesses will be filed under Snazzy Shoes LLC, but you can market your line of sunglasses under your DBA name. Alternatively, if maintaining limited liability is one of your concerns, you could create a new LLC for your new business venture, but house it under your current LLC. In this case, your current LLC would end up being the sole owner, or member, of your newly formed LLC. How to register a DBA. To file your DBA, go the link below in the description box down below. I'm going to demonstrate the full process. From here you are seeing all the services they offer, and here are all the resources. You can create a free account first. Now, click Get a DBA Name option. Any business, sole proprietor, general partnership, LLC, or corporation can use a DBA to establish its brand, increase brand recognition, and maintain its public image. To register a DBA, you'll need to file a DBA application with a state or local government agency, this varies by state, and pay a filing fee. From this page, you can get all the answers to your questions. What is a DBA? Why get a DBA name? DBA advantages. How to file a DBA. State DBA registration requirements. Here, you can choose your state to get a DBA. For the sake of the video, I'm selecting Delaware. Here you are seeing a complete guideline. To register a DBA in Delaware, you'll submit a registration of trade, business, and fictitious name certificate in every county where your business operates. Registering a DBA in Delaware costs $25 per county. Northwest will walk you through the process. Now, if you are wondering what is a fictitious name or how to get this form, don't worry. Northwest is providing you with all the necessary filing procedures. Here, you can fill up the form and file it. How to add a DBA to an LLC varies slightly from place to place, but it is a fairly easy process that typically involves filing a simple form with the appropriate government agency. Registration of a fictitious name is required in all states. In most states you'll register with the county or city government where the assumed name will be used, but in some states you'll register at the state level. To help you find out what is required in your state, go down below the page. For example, search Florida Fictitious Name Registration or Texas DBA Registration. Check with the state agency where you registered your LLC. Check with your city or county agency that deals with business regulation, typically the county or city clerk's office. Check with your local office of the U.S. Small Business Administration. If you want to use more than one assumed name, you will need to file a separate registration for each name. Unless statewide registration is possible, the assumed name will need to be registered in each county or municipality where the name will be used. How to register a DBA. Once you determine where to register, you may be able to register your DBA name online. You can also obtain the proper form from the agency, fill it out with the required information, and file it with the agency. You will be required to provide the name of your LLC as it is registered and the fictitious name you want to use. Restrictions often prohibit the use of a name that is the same as, or similar to, a fictitious name that is already registered. You will probably also be required to pay a registration fee, which will typically be under $100. You may also be required to publish some type of notice in an approved newspaper in order to start using the assumed name. If such a publication is required, you can usually find a local legal newspaper that offers much lower publication rates than a general circulation newspaper.